I might just beat a little back end. My little partner just on the back end. He dissing on me, we flying the street. It's a dirty game, we play for keys. That's the whole body. I'm a beast in the street. I walk with a 9, this shit ain't sweet. I was barely even getting me straight. They ain't understand. Now I'm on the feed. Break, I'm a beast in the city. Ain't worried about you. I'ma do my deal.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's your girl, Lanico, man. Yes, sir, man. As you can see from the thumbnail and the title, y'all know y'all finna come along with me. You feel me? Clean out my car, cause my car is very nasty from my sister and my girlfriend and shit like that. So before I get into this video, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss whenever I drop a video, man. Yeah. So I ain't gonna count. Look, I'm on the way to the car wash now. You know what I'm saying? Like my car real dirty. Like I'm gonna show y'all when I get there. Like this shit's so embarrassing, bro. Like it just looked like shit. We had a party in it bit, and it bit wasn't even really that. You know what I'm saying? Like it wasn't even really that. Oh shit, he finna smack my ass. Damn, that's slow ass shit. But I'm on the way to the car wash now, man. I'm gonna tune in with y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all my car when I get there. I just got to the car wash, y'all. I'm finna get it clean first, and then, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna go clean it out. Then I'm gonna show y'all like how nasty my car is. Like they did that wrong for like doing my car like that. And no, this is not my hoodie, man. I ain't graduated from West Lake. I don't know who hoodie this was in my trunk, but I just put this bitch on. Not gonna lie. This man got the car stuck, man. Look at this shit, man. Somebody come look at this shit. Stuck. I ain't gonna get a license plates in it, baby. They stuck. That bitch rolling back. Let me make sure my window rolled up, cause if I get away, I'm gonna have to beat a nigga ass. My shit in neutral. Get rolling. You need to get a wipe of my shit. My shit dirty. Y'all, let me tell you while I'm in here, right? So, my tire was flat. Meanwhile, I got insurance and shit, you know what I'm saying? So, my car was sitting, because I was waiting for a mechanic to come change my tire, because everybody ain't got my little, my wheel lock. My wheel lock different. Everybody ain't got that, you know what I'm saying? So, okay, I come outside. I'm finna go to work. I come outside. I thought it was a dream at first. I said, hold on, I walk. I said, my car ain't right now, so I was like, let me walk back. I turned around, came back. I said, my car gone, brother. I was so mad, bro. Like, what the fuck? Why would they tow my car? I just had a flat tire. Meanwhile, both of my tires got flat, but I had got one on change. And then the other one, the nigga, he had my tire, so I had to go back to the shop. And when I was finna go back to the shop before I go to work, my car was gone. Before I took my car all the way back, an hour away, I was mad as hell. Like, this shit really blew me. Then they put a stick on my car and shit. Like, they bitch can't get out. They rolled all on my windows and shit. Like, I was blowed. But I got my shit back. Don't get it back. Make my shit straight, bitch, I need. Man, my mom broke my sunroof. Look, it open, but this part. For y'all boy too though, so y'all just stay tuned, man, cause I got a lot of clouds. I got a lot, you know what I'm saying? Like, I got a lot to wait for y'all boy. Like, damn, I ain't gonna count last time I came to the car by this bit. I got stuck in this bit, like the lights went off. Just said it happened twice, bro, like twice. I'm like, what the fuck? I ain't never coming back here, but they cheat though, so you feel what I'm saying? That's why I really going, you know what I'm saying? I ain't finna spend $40 on no car wash. Oh God, I'm not no. Yeah, nah, not me. You know, all the black folk go the cheap way out. Damn, my car going so slow through the car wash. Like, do it supposed to go like this? Oh, I ain't been through this bitch. It's so long, this bitch going so slow. I'm gonna tune back in with y'all when I Y'all just got done. Hold on, family. I just got done cleaning. You feel what I'm saying? It look way better. Like, look, you feel me? It look decent. Look a little decent. It look way better, man. Let me go get my seats put on though, man. But it look better, man. So, it ain't crumbs on my seat or nothing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the outside. Took me about what, like 25 minutes. It ain't detail, but it clean. Like, you know what I'm saying? I don't really feel too nasty. You know what I'm saying? I don't really feel too nasty. Let me show y'all the outside. This side, this side. Look clean, man. I really feel good because my car been dirty for a minute, man. Like, for a minute. Like, they ain't got no respect, like, none at all. And then I left my book bag at home. Left my book bag. I ain't got no car freshener. Like, it's crazy. But yeah, man, if y'all liking this video, man, hit the thumbs up button, man. Subscribe to my channel, man. Get me to 1,000 subscribers, man. You did, you know what I'm saying? So, see, I have clean, man. I have clean, but that's one thing I noticed about myself, but I have all the time. I gotta get sucking one more time, sucking up. When I clean, I be having clean. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Like, I don't know why. Especially my car. Not when I clean up here. I'm just saying, like, my car, I be missing shit. So I need somebody that can detail my car real good. Well, y'all, I'm done, man. I Mr. Red. I call my car Lightning McQueen, man. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause I be cutting up through that, you know what I'm saying? I be getting up through that, man. Me Lightning McQueen. But I probably finna go get something to eat or something, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man, because this video ain't over, man. So you stay tuned, man. I'm back, man. I had went to Wendy's, bro. I ain't really hungry, but I'm hungry, you know what I'm saying? So I had just got me a little 4 inside. You know they got a little fry motherfucker. Man, these bitches hit. These bitches hit. You gotta eat it with the burger though. You ain't black. You ain't black if you don't eat fries on your burger, man. Straight up. I don't see how my burger up. I don't even eat onion, bro. Like, come on, dude. Let me throw these outside, cause you gonna have my car funky as hell. Like, come on, dude. But I can't talk to y'all cause everybody been, you feel me? Everybody been asking me how I'm doing, like, you feel what I'm saying? Like, when I be posting on, I post on my own Instagram, I be saying, ask questions and stuff. They wanna know how I'm doing. You feel me? What I got planned for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot though. I ain't even gonna count to y'all like, this be good. Hold on now. Hold up. Snack. But man, I got a lot, man. I got a lot going on. But I'm still, you feel me, post for y'all. But I'm supposed to be, I ain't gonna tell y'all when I'm supposed to be moving, but I'm gonna do some apartment tours and shit. Like, y'all just stay tuned, man. Turn that post notification bell on so you know when I drop a video, so you feel me? So you with me the whole ride, you feel what I'm saying? And I really want to tell y'all, I'm supposed to be doing collab with 2 people, you know. I ain't gonna tell y'all who, man, but y'all just stay tuned. And come on this journey with me like I keep telling y'all. I'm gonna do a little mukbang, like, you gotta eat the fry, then you gotta bite the burger. This window right here, they put their ass in there. Not even because I'm hungry, but they be fair. Like, if you go on the west side of Atlanta, your food not fair. Either your nugget cold, your drink ain't mixed well. Like, I had went to a Wendy's on Metropolitan. Man, them folk gave me some bitter ass lemonade, strawberry lemonade. My fry was cold. My burger was pink. I ain't even reporting. I'm just not gonna need to eat animals. You know what I'm saying? I used to hit this. I just cleaned out my car. But if you eat one about, you know you gotta eat the nigga loud with the barbecue sauce. Strawberry lemonade. You bit hit different on my mama. Let me take that back. This one ain't too sweet. It's sweet, but it ain't sweet. But it's just right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. That bitch just, when it hit different. My burger ain't even a bit just right. Oh God. Y'all comment. Hold on. Hold up. Y'all comment down below who y'all want to see me collab with, man. Like, just comment down below. DM me, man. Y'all go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram will be in the link in the description down below. I had to mess around over here. I'm just really just eating that bit. If y'all want to see, what can I see? Folk be, let me tell y'all about some of y'all, cause y'all real mess on God. Y'all mess in my DM. Like, I don't be opening. Some messages I do open, some messages I don't. They be like, when you gonna do something with your girlfriend? How y'all know if I'm ready to show y'all my girlfriend? How? I really like that private lifestyle with my girl, like, just, you know what I'm saying? Right. Some folks know we together, but not everybody, you know what I'm saying? I just rather, like, be low key. Cause when folks know your relationship, they just say, it's a he say, she say, oh, woo, woo. They just a Atlanta, bro. Nigga don't want to see you happen. Oh, God. I don't. I be wanting to be my girl every day. I ain't gonna count to y'all. I work. I be wanting to be one. But for real though, I ain't gonna count. We're gonna do something though, like, we're gonna do a Q&A. Might do a truth or drink. She be wanting to do a video, so we're gonna do that, man. Y'all just stay tuned, man. Before I end this video off, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that post notification bell on so you don't miss whenever I drop a video, man. Yeah.
I might just beat a little back end. My little partner Joe on the back end. He dissing on me, we flooding the street. It's a dirty game, we play for keys. That's the whole bout. I'm a beast in the street. I walk with a 9, this shit ain't sweet. I was barely even getting me straight. They understand, now I'm on the feed. Break, I'm a beast in the city, ain't worried about you, I'ma do my deal.